me, Katie.
And Lucy.
And today we're making
unicorn slime.
Okay, so what you're going to need for the unicorn slime, which all came in this little pack that I got for Lucy on her 6th birthday on July 15th, and today is October 15th. Okay, so what you're going to need is some sodium, which came in the pack. We got a little measuring cup, we got a spoon, we got wood sticks, we got sparkles, which are like, they have like blue sparkles, yellow sparkles, purple sparkles. We got pink food dye, which I'm making, and purple food dye, which Lucy's making, and some glue. And all that we had to buy was disposable cups. Yeah. Anyways, you ready to go?
Yeah!
Okay, so the first thing you have to do is fill up your water with 25 milliliters of warm water. I have the directions right here because I don't want to mess up.
Because we never did this before. This is our first time.
Okay, let's see. Pour this in your cup.
Okay.
Okay. The next step is using the spoon they gave us. We're going to fill up a spoonful of the sodium.
Yeah.
With one level spoon.
Yay!
Okay, don't spill it away. Pour it in. Beautiful. And pour it in. And then we're going to stir it. I'll stir and then you'll stir. Now fill the second cup.
With what?
Fill the second cup with 24 milliliters of warm water. Okay.
Wait, is that where he told you in real life?
Yeah.
That weird.
Okay. And then measure 16 milliliters of white glue.
White glue.
Yeah.
Wait, how would y'all do that?
I think we just wait till 6.
There we go.
Okay.
Now who's that for?
I'll pour it in this one.
This food.
You got it. Keep shaking. You still got the glue coming. Shake out.
I got a good idea.
Now you mix it until glue is fully mixed in.
How am I gonna do?
Yeah. And it says put 1 to 2 drops of pink dye
In
and
the
stir.
blue one, you mean?
Yeah.
Oh, I can't get it. I can't get this open.
I got it. So you're just gonna do 2 drops.
2 drops. Okay.
Or you can do 1 drop if you want to do a lighter purple. I think I want to do like a dark purple.
1, 2, 3, 4.
So 1 drop. Oh no! It's just, this is a drop blue. You're just gonna have some vibrant water. It'll be fine. It'll be fine. I think it'll be fine. Now we're gonna use the stick and we're just gonna mix it up.
I don't need to do that.
It's okay.
I can't do the
You're just gonna have a really dark purple.
I like super dark purple.
So it's gonna be a dark purple. It's fine. It's gonna be pretty.
Yeah, I like dark purple.
It'll be fine. Anyways, to recap, just in case it might deleted, we have added warm water to our mix. We added the glue and we added the color dye. And now we're going, and it says the more color dye you use, the darker the color. Example, Lucy's purple and my pink.
I actually did too much.
Yeah, it's okay though, because this thing said it was okay. Okay, so then it says add half of the gems. So now we're going to pick out which gems. I want to do clear gems.
Wait, we can do different kinds.
Yeah, but I want to do like all clear gems in mine. And then, okay, so grab all yours. I'm just gonna do like this.
Oh my.
Okay.
Now what we gonna do next?
And I think we just slowly add it.
Okay, you can.
Oh, I feel it. Can you hold the cup? Hold the cup still. Oh God, do you see that?
Oh my God.
Oh gosh.
You know what? If it gets too hard to mix it, you can use your hands.
Oh God. Oh God.
Ew.
Here's the slime. It's wet. It's really wet. I don't know if slime's supposed to be wet, but
No.
it's not. Have you played with slime before, Lucy?
No, I didn't, but I felt that, so.
It's wet.
And not supposed to be wet.
Now it's kind of like a ball. You want to touch it?
Yeah.
It's a little sticky, so like squeeze it.
Oh my God. Oh my God. This is the best slime ever. No. I never felt slime before. Oh my God.
Step one is to mix it and slowly add
water.
Mixture.
With your pink side.
Purple slime. Ooh. Okay.
Wait, I have to pull up my sleeve too.
Okay.
This slime is super purple.
This one's really wet. I think maybe the extra dye. Okay. Oh Lucy, pick that up. Okay. I'm gonna start mixing it so maybe it might get less watery.
Oh my God. I'm just mixing it.
Anyways, this is the end of our video. We hope you guys really love it.
Yeah.
Ready, Lucy? Now stretch your slime. Go.
Ah!
Whoa.
Yeah, I'll stick with